Hi everyone, this is Ben here with Pierre Driving School, covering the part 6 of the DMV Road Test Evaluation sheet. So we've done five part already, which is a series of 6. This is the last one in the series. So if you have not watched those 5 part of the series, I strongly suggest you do that, because it will give you a full understanding of what they are expecting for you when you're doing your road test. So what we've done, after we went through the entire sheet, as you take your road test here in New York City, and the end after 6 p.m. they'll give you your result. They will give you a slip, so you have to go on the DMV website and look at your passing slip or failing slip, if you will. You can see what you've done, then you can go ahead and print it out and see what you have to work off. Most of the things, the same thing as we have here, right? We covered all this series already. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the last part of this series. Now what we're gonna cover today, what we've done after we review all the session and the sheet, so we do the last series, have all of the automatic disqualification. There's thing that you've done and the road test, you are automatic disqualified of the test, where you will fail the test. However, we're allowed to make mistake. We're not allowed to make critical error, of which we're going to cover with you as you go through the rest of this series. So those things you're going to make sure that you do not conduct as the day of your road test. Okay, the first of it is use mirror only, fail to check blind spot while you're driving. If you only use your mirror as you're driving, you're not checking your blind spot, those are automatic disqualification, because reason why, by not checking the blind spot will completely lead to an accident, and we never know how an accident may happen, right? What they mean by that, by checking the blind spot, is look over your shoulder, of which we will also do a video explaining all these things separately. And the second one is the automatic disqualification, is fail to stop near center at an intersection when making a left turn, right? When you're making a left turn at your road test, if you fail to stop near center at the intersection, that's a problem, because when you make that turn, you're going to be falling on the other side of the traffic. Then that'll be a problem. They will fail you the test, right? The number 3 thing we have, drive in traffic. What did they mean by that? Instead of driving on the lane that you're supposed to drive, you're driving on the other side of the traffic, which is reinforcing the first one we said earlier, fail to stop near center, near intersection when making a left turn. So if you fail to do so, obviously, you're going to make your turn on the oncoming traffic, and they will fail you the test. And also, fail to keep right. For the purpose of the road test, as a student, you've always have to be on the right side of the road, unless you're driving on a one-way street, then you're allowed to be in the middle of your street, right? But for the purpose of the road test, you've always have to keep right. Failure to do so, they will fail you the test. Okay, the other one we have is fail to anticipate action. When you're driving, you not only have to be very vigilant, you also have to be able to anticipate potential hazard. By anticipating potential hazard can stop problem. You know, it can stop you from getting into an accident, can stop you from getting another car hitting you. As you're driving, however, as a student, as a driver in general, you always have to scan the road for you to anticipate potential hazard, okay? Poor engine control and acceleration, they will fail you for that also. If you keep driving and you keep revving the engine in the wrong direction, or the car keep jerking to your entire lesson, they will fail you for that. Poor use of gear. What do they mean by that? Let's say you finish parking, right? And you put your car into reverse, and now you're ready to pull out. Instead of putting your car into drive, you put it into reverse, thinking that the car going forward, and it's supposed to be going backward. That's problem, right? While you're doing your road test, those are the things that you do not want to be doing. As you're taking your road test, they will consider that as automatic disqualification. So what we've done, we went over the entire sheet. If you guys can see that, we mark all the automatic disqualification, because reason why, as you're doing your test, if you know the things that are automatic disqualification, at your best, you're going to try to be on top of them, right? The more on top of those things that you are, the better off you are as you're taking your road test. Although nervousness is going to always be coming in, all right? But here's the thing. If you can outrank your weakness to your strong to your ability of demonstrating the thing that you know best, it'll be way, way, way better for you, right? So guys, like I always said, it's not how you drive, it's how they want you to drive to pass the test. The minute you understand that, it changes everything. If you need any help, please check out pierrepauldraiving.com. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, it's a good time to do that, and share these videos to someone you think might benefit for that. Now, let me ask you this question. How did your road test go? If you've already done your road test. So if you have done your road test, you didn't pass yet, where did you fail? Let me know in the comment below. If you want me to cover any topic, however, put in the comment below, because most of our topic come from the comment you guys leave. Until then, keep practicing. This has been your Pierre Paul Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye.